The Google Pixel 10a is already creating major buzz, and if the latest leaks are true, this phone could arrive much sooner than expected. But that's not all. Google might finally be giving us something fans have been asking for: a fresh splash of color. According to new leaks from a well-known tipster, the Pixel 10a could launch in 5 bold color options: black, blue, dark blue, red, and green. That's a big change from the usual Pixel lineup, which mostly sticks to black, white, or one playful option. This time it looks like Google wants the Pixel 10a to stand out with more personality. And here's the cool part. Leaked wallpapers are said to match these colors. So if you buy the dark blue model, your phone might come with a custom wallpaper designed around that shade. Almost like Google is turning the whole device into a complete design package. One of the wallpapers even looks like modern art, with paintbrush strokes across a white canvas. It's a small touch, but it shows how much effort Google puts into making the Pixel experience feel unique. But the biggest shocker? The same leak suggests the Pixel 10a could launch before the end of 2025. That would be unusual because Google normally releases its A-series phones in the middle of the year. If this early launch is real, the Pixel 10a could hit the market just in time for the holiday shopping season, giving buyers an affordable Pixel option right when they're ready to spend. Still, not everyone is convinced. Many analysts believe the Pixel 10a will stick to its usual schedule, spring 2026, since we haven't seen the usual flood of renders and hands-on leaks that normally appear months before launch. Compared to last year's Pixel 9a, which leaked everywhere, the Pixel 10a is being kept surprisingly quiet. That could mean Google is playing its cards close to the chest, or the phone is still a bit further away. Now let's talk about specs. Don't expect massive hardware changes. Reports say the Pixel 10a will use a slightly upgraded version of the Tensor G4 chip, the same generation used in the Pixel 10 series. It won't be as powerful as the upcoming Tensor G5, but it should still handle day-to-day performance, apps, and photography with ease. Speaking of photography, the Pixel 10a is rumored to keep the same camera setup as the Pixel 9a. That might sound disappointing, but remember, Google's strength has always been in software image processing. Even with older sensors, Pixels often take some of the best photos in their class. So while it may not be a huge upgrade, you can still expect strong results. But the competition is heating up. Apple is rumored to be launching the iPhone SE 7 around the same time, a budget model that could be a direct rival to the Pixel 10a. If that happens, the mid-range battle between Google and Apple will get very interesting. So the big question is, why should buyers choose the Pixel 10a? If the hardware and cameras aren't drastically different, Google will need to lean on its software, AI features, battery life improvements, and overall user experience to make this phone stand out. And of course, those stylish new colors could help attract a new audience too. At the end of the day, the Pixel 10a might not be a game changer, but it's shaping up to be an exciting option for 2025. Whether it launches this holiday season or sticks to spring 2026, it looks set to continue Google's tradition of delivering clean Android software, excellent cameras, and now, more personality than ever. So what do you think? Would you pick up the Pixel 10a if it launches in bold new colors, or do you think Google needs to deliver more than just a fresh paint job?